Cordless mini chainsaw, for sawing and splitting wood, designed specifically for wood cutting. Do the professional work with the professional tools. Suitable for pruning orchard branches. Housing material: nylon. Handle: rubberized handle, non-slip, comfortable to hold. Switch: safety switch. Press the lever and start up so as to prevent accidental start. Guide bar size and material: 4-6 inches, thicker 65 manganese steel guide bar. Chain: alloy chain, sharp and wear resistant, cutting faster. Chain replacement and installation. Lightweight, more convenient to use with one hand. Wider and thicker baffle to prevent wood chips from splashing.